Michelle Chapman was born in 1988. She is well known professionally as Tori Black. She is an American pornographic actress. In 2011, she became the first person to win the AVN Female Performer of the Year award 2 years in a row. She was inducted in the XRCO and AVN Halls of Fame. Tori Black. Early life and education. Chapman is a native of Seattle. She studied journalism as an undergraduate at Western Washington University. Career. Chapman started her career at age 18 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where she was on a summer vacation while attending college. At her parents' insistence on getting a job, Chapman saw an advertisement for an adult talent agency and sent in her pictures. The agency accepted and, after considering their offer, she accepted and returned to the agency a week later. She was the Penthouse Pet of the Month for December 2008. Chapman is the first person in history to win 2 AVN Female Performer of the Year awards, winning back-to-back years in 2010 and 2011. She also won the 2010 and 2011 XRCO awards for Female Performer of the Year. In 2011, she was also named by CNBC as one of the 12 most popular stars in porn, and CNBC noted her role as Catwoman in Vivid Entertainment's Batman 30, a porn parody, as well as her 2010 wins by AVN and XBiz and 2011 AVN win and XBiz nomination as Female Performer of the Year. In 2010, Chapman was named by Loaded magazine as the most facially attractive female performer in the industry. Personal life. In 2011, Chapman announced that she had given birth to a son. She wrote that she was pregnant with her second child in 2013. She has 2 children. Her net worth is $400,000 to $500,000. She is sexy with a good shape, curvy and a tall lady. She is one of the best porn star. Another one is coming. Please, subscribe, like, comment and my videos to friends and family.